Hey there, tiny explorers! It's your buddy Fox Scout. Have you ever wondered about the 4 fabulous seasons? Well, today we're going on an adventure to discover why we have seasons. Let's get ready to explore. So, what are seasons? They are the 4 special times of the year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each one brings its own magic and colors. Can you guess what makes them change? Let's find out. In spring, flowers bloom and colors pop. Can you smell the flowers? It feels like nature is waking up from a long nap. Isn't that exciting? Let's sniff the air and look for clues of spring. Next up is summer. The sun shines bright, and those warm days are perfect for playing outside and eating ice cream. What's your favorite summer fun activity? Let's pretend we're splashing in the pool. Now, let's wiggle into fall. Look at those exciting colors. The leaves turn orange, red, and yellow before they dance down to the ground. What do you think happens to the trees? Can you rustle the leaves with me? And here comes winter. Brrr! It's chilly and beautiful. Look at those sparkling snowflakes. Have you ever caught a snowflake on your tongue? Let's make a snowman together. So, what makes the seasons change? It's all about the Earth's tilt and its journey around the sun. Imagine a fun circle dance. The more it tilts, the more different the seasons become. Can you picture it in your mind? Did you know? Some places don't have 4 seasons. In really warm places like near the equator, it's mostly sunny all the time. Would you like to visit a place like that? Let's dream about it. Seasons are super important for plants and animals. In spring, birds build nests and flowers bloom. In winter, some animals hibernate. Can you guess what your favorite season does for animals? Let's think about it. So, what's the big answer to our question? Seasons are nature's fun and colorful way of changing. They keep things exciting for us all year round. Can you see the beauty in the changes? Let's celebrate the wonders of our world.